Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a GMC Envoy or Trailblazer from 2002 to 2009. It also fits the Bravada, the Isuzu Ascender, the Buick Rainier. Take off the... No, that didn't come off. I looked at that. We're going to take off the switch housing and unplug it. The video is at double speed, by the way, to make it a little quicker to watch. These are quite easy to do. You've got that plate right there around the handle. Comes off pretty easy. Oh, be careful because the plastic's brittle and a lot of times those tabs break when you take it off. So watch out for that. You've got two 10mm bolts. As soon as I get out my 10mm bolt thingy. Now, I was going to go in there, but you can't. You're going from the top. From one's right there. You might need a magnet. It might make it easier to get it out, too. And then it pulls back, and then there was that plate right there as well, the second plate that I ended up having to take off. Panel lifts off. Normally, you probably wouldn't need to peel back all of this plastic, but I'm doing it just so you can see what's going on. If this is beneficial to you, if this helps you, please like the video. That'll help other people find it on YouTube. Much appreciated. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I believe there's a 5/16 nut screws to get the speaker off. If you have any questions, just ask on the YouTube page and I'll be glad to answer them. A couple 10mm bolts hold the clamps tight to the glass. Oh, before I do this, I went ahead and always check and make sure you have the correct regulator. Just hold it up and eyeball it before you get too far into it. And yep, that's the right one. Just putting on the key so I can bring the window down a little bit. And a little WD-40 on the 2 up and down channels on the sides. Every 2 or 3 months, always a good idea. Keeps them supple, makes it slide up and down a lot easier. And then once it's out of the way, I think there's 5 10mm bolts that hold it in place. Comes out quite easily. Unplug the wiring harness to the motor. Lots of room to work, not a problem at all. Tighten down those 5 bolts. Loosen those a little bit, the ones on the clamps. So you can slide the glass into it. Tighten those down. And you are good to go, my friends. Shouldn't be anything complicated about putting the panel back on, so I'm going to let you go and finish this on your own. Again, if it was helpful, please go ahead and like the video before you leave. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great week.